Today I'm going to be reviewing the Erin Condren Gratitude Journal as well as her dot grid hardback notebook because I've been trying to get into bullet journaling just to help me get some new ideas for planner layouts. Now each of these were $12, so let's check them out and see if they're worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings and reviews like today on Saturday. So first let's start out with the dot grid notebook, and you'll see it has a little marker there that says dot, and it came in this plastic wrap. So we'll go ahead and open it up. And again, this was $12 plus shipping. So I really liked it because it had this rose gold foil along all of the paper edges. And in the front, I did get it personalized where it says Pretty Fabulous. I don't know if you can see that. And this does have rose gold details on the petals in the front as well. Now, when we open it, it has some more rose gold along the inside, and it says, "Your life is a story, write well and edit often." And we'll go through this, it'll be quick. On the go, take notes, dot grid notebook, do the right thing, this belongs to. And over here, you can see she has the little Erin Condren logo on each and every page, and it looks like she just simply changes the colors on each day. So sometimes the colors match and sometimes they don't. So that's cute. So these are pretty big dots, I think. I don't know. I don't bullet journal, but I would think that these little logos, even though they're cute, might get in the way of your bullet journal design. Now, as far as laying this flat, because it is pretty small, it might be a little hard to get it to lay flat when I'm trying to bullet journal in it, but I'm okay with that since I'm not a big bullet journaler anyway. I just got it for a notebook to doodle in. This is 5 by 8 and it's 124 pages all throughout here, and it has this pretty rose gold bookmark. And we'll just flip over to the end. So at the end it just says, note to self, think less, live more, and let's get social, show us your EC style. So it has their hashtag, and too tough to choose just one. And then there's 15% off your next purchase with this code, and a little picture, and of course the same design in the back as they had the front. And over here it just has the Erin Condren logo in rose gold, so it kind of just blends in. Okay, next up we have the Gratitude Journal, and the same thing. This came wrapped in plastic, and I'll just tell you, it's called the Petite Planner Gratitude Journal, and it has 80 pages. It's 5.7 by 8.25 inches. So I like that it was compact and small, and again, it kind of matched the other one in that it's a little, well, I shouldn't say it matched. This is more of a rose gold, this is more of a peach. So here on the cover, it says, start each day with a grateful heart, has the Erin Condren logo and Gratitude Journal, and again, this is all kind of gold foiling. You have in the inside, it just tells you the Gratitude Journal and then gives you a place to write your name. And over here it says, moments that made me laugh today, funny moments from today. So it looks like it's just kind of prompting you with different things each day. Unique things about today, small victories I had today, wonderful smells I smelled today, things I learned today. People I'm grateful for today, things I did for myself today, relaxing moments I had today, silly things that happened today, moments I appreciated today, ways I honored myself today, delicious foods I ate today, things I noticed today, moments that made me smile today, good things about today, moments I enjoyed today, people I connected with today, ways I felt strong today, moments I felt happy today, things I'm proud of today, moments I loved today, people I enjoyed today, new things I tried today, comforting things about today, beautiful moments I saw today, ways I loved today, things I created today, joyous times today, positive moments today. And then a 30-day reflection, my favorite moments, things I learned, ways I've given, ways I've grown, 30-day observation, and then looking forward, goals and intentions, looking forward to things to improve on next 30 days. And then it looks kind of like it just does the same questions. I'll read these just in case. Moments that made me laugh today, funny moments from today, unique things about today, small victories I had today, wonderful smells I smelled today, things I learned today, people I'm grateful for today, things I did for myself today, relaxing moments I had today, silly things that happened today, moments I appreciated today, ways I honored myself today, delicious foods I ate today, things I noticed today, moments that made me smile today, good things about today, moments I enjoyed today, people I connected with today, ways I felt strong today, moments I felt happy today, things I'm proud of today, moments I loved today, people I enjoyed today, new things I tried today, comforting things about today, beautiful moments I saw today, ways I loved today, things I created today, joyous times today, positive moments today, and then another 30-day reflection that looks exactly like the other one. And then, yes, the questions, just like I thought, do repeat, and then you get another 30-day reflection. I believe someone says you get 6. Yes, you get 6 30-day reflections in this book, and then a repeat of the questions, but they look like they're in random order. And then finally at the end, there's no 6-month reflection. It says we get 2 quotes. There's always something to be grateful for. Gratitude makes a difference in your attitude. And then we do get, I was wrong, we do get the 6-month reflection, my favorite moments, things I learned, ways I've grown, observations. And then looking forward 6 months, things to improve on, next 6-month focus, looking forward to goals and intentions. And don't forget, you've got this. Let's get social, a little folder here in the back. And it also came with a sticker sheet. So these are kind of cute. They have some metallic, some of them are metallic, some of them are not, and some have little bubbles where you can write little quotes or a positive word, because there's not a lot of room to write a quote. So the back looks exactly like the front, just more decorations. So I thought both of these were super cute. Again, I loved the rose gold foiling on the edges of the paper. I probably could have done without these, but since I'm not really big into bullet journaling, it's not too important to me. But if you are and you needed this space, that could be a little irritating. In fact, if I could have requested something, instead of having her logo there at the top, I would have preferred just a white space so I could have written the page number on there, or maybe that would have been pre-printed. And then over here, this along with the stickers for this gratitude journal. I love this. I think this is a great idea. I've been looking for a way just to prompt myself to sort of keep more of a gratitude journal rather than just trying to think of things that I'm grateful for off the top of my head. And it's like it said, it's petite, it's little, it's easy to carry around or store next to your desk so that you can remember to journal in it every day. There were some other cute little petite journals. She had a baby one, a pregnancy one, a wellness one, budget one, and a travel journal. So comment below, let me know if you like the idea of the petite journal and if you think they're worth $12. I definitely do, because I like the colors and I always like having some metallic foil. All right, I hope everyone's having a great week, and I will see you guys back next week. Bye.